Imagine Finland, reimagined in vibrant clay, colorful, soft, and full of wonder. Every tree, house, and cloud is shaped by hand, each scene a piece of art. The camera glides over handcrafted landscapes, revealing the familiar in a new light. A perfect orange clay sun rises into a sky of blended blue and purple. The adventure is just beginning. The curtain rises on a Finland you've never seen before. Prepare to feel the magic in every frame. Our story begins now. Our journey takes us to Helsinki, rising from the clay shores of the Baltic Sea. The cathedral's domes shine, golden crosses glinting in the sun. Bright trams glide along their tracks. Clay people stroll lively streets. The market square bustles with tiny clay treasures, berries, bread, and fish. We visit Tempeliaukio Church, carved into a giant boulder of clay. As evening falls, LED lights glow in the clay buildings. Helsinki is a city molded from imagination, a perfect start to our Finnish adventure. We leave the city for Finland's heart. Vast forests and shimmering lakes, thousands of clay trees, each pine needle a tiny sliver, create a lush landscape. Birch trunks, white with delicate black lines, stand among mossy green foam. A gentle breeze makes clay leaves tremble. The silence is filled with the forest's whispers. Lakes of glossy blue resin reflect the sky, rowboats drifting near the shore. A clay figure fishes, line dipping into still water, reeds of green wire at the edge. Smooth hand-rolled stones line the banks. The beauty is in the stillness. Deep in the woods, a classic Finnish cottage, Muki, sits with a wisp of cotton smoke. Beside it, a sauna glows warmly, stones piled on a miniature stove. This is a place of peace, connecting with nature and finding tranquility. Clay bears lumber through the undergrowth. A moose peeks from behind birch trees. Even a ladybug crawls up a blade of grass. This forest teems with life. Every detail celebrates Finland's rich biodiversity. The wilderness is a handcrafted wonder. Nature's magic is everywhere. We journey north to Lapland, where snow and magic reign. Forests vanish under blankets of sparkling white clay, branches heavy with snow. The air is crisp, the silence profound, broken only by the crunch of clay snow. Reindeer with textured fur pull a traditional sleigh, guided by a Sami herder in vibrant clay costume. The sleigh glides over snow, leaving smooth tracks, a timeless scene. In a village of igloos and snow-covered cabins, warm yellow light glows from windows. Clay children build a snowman, laughter frozen in joyful expressions. Nearby, someone ice fishes on a frozen lake of translucent plastic. As dusk falls, the sun casts a purple and pink glow. This is the Kamos, the polar night. Lanterns of ice light the paths, the snow reflecting gentle beauty. Lapland is a dreamscape, peaceful and enchanting. This clay world is more than a place, it's a feeling. Here, winter is a fairy tale come to life. The magic of the north is unforgettable. Night in Lapland reveals a spectacular secret, the northern lights. Clay figures gaze up at a deep indigo sky, stars glittering above. A faint green ribbon appears, made from translucent clay and lit from behind. The aurora borealis begins its magical dance, swirling and twisting across the heavens. Pink and purple join the green, colors blending in graceful animation. The lights breathe and flow, a river of color in the sky. Clay figures watch in silent awe, faces full of wonder. The ribbons pulse, flicker, and ripple, filling the sky with movement. Clever lighting and stop motion bring the aurora to life. It's the star of the show. We are immersed in color, floating within the aurora's embrace. Slowly, the dance subsides. Colors fade, leaving only stars. Silence returns, deeper than before. The experience lingers, a memory of pure magic. The claymation aurora is unforgettable. Nature's spectacle, reimagined, leaves us in awe. The night sky holds endless wonder. No journey is complete without tasting the local food. In our claymation Finland, cuisine is a visual adventure. At a bakery, Karjalan piraka, Karelian pies, line the shelves, their centers textured like rice pudding. Korvapusti, cinnamon buns, swirl with sugar, each a tiny sculpture. We sit for a traditional meal, grilled salmon with new potatoes, garnished with dill. The food looks so real you almost want to taste it. Dessert is cloudberries, bright orange and yellow clay spheres beside laipa juusto, bread cheese. The sweet berries and mild cheese tell a story of the land. Our meal ends with coffee, a clay pot pouring dark liquid into tiny mugs. Steam rises, clay figures warming their hands around the cup. This feast celebrates Finnish tradition, warmth, and community. Through food, we experience the heart of Finland. The day ends deliciously. The journey continues. Our claymation journey through Finland comes to an end. We've traveled from Helsinki's vibrant streets to Lapland's silent snows. We've sailed lakes, walked forests, and seen the world through clay and creativity. This journey captured Finland's spirit, revealing magic beneath the everyday. We watched seasons change, felt sauna warmth, and witnessed the northern lights. Each detail drew you into this miniature world. This film is an invitation. Look at your world with fresh eyes. Find beauty in small details. Let familiar places become magical. The charm lies in imperfections, fingerprints, wobbly trees, reminders of human hands. As credits roll, we hope you're inspired to see Finland and your own world differently. The story ends, but the magic remains. Thank you for joining this extraordinary claymation adventure.